So let's take a look at Kathy. She has really smooth skin, but was bothering her, and I already injected some. So we're not seeing the best detail here because we already smoothed so many out. She had the radial cheek lines. All right, let's see you smile, Kathy. We could see some of them. We could see a little bit here by her crow's feet. So what I'm going to do is inject perpendicular to those lines, and we're going to smooth them out. Smile again, Kathy. So here I see some extending from the crow's feet, and I'm using RH1 very superficially, as you can see my needle, and I just put a very thin line of material perpendicular to the lines. And again, you could see my needle, and we see it's not getting bumpy, and we just massage it in. And I have a little Hibiclens on my gauze here so that we make a nice clean area. And let's do one more, a little further down, maybe like right here. And again, we want to see my needle, and very smooth. All right, let's take a look now, Kathy, and see if we see a difference. Smile for me.
Oh my God,
I think it's magnificent.
yes.